makeup. Then it was time to do gele because they've done makeup and we're like this gele is harsh. Oh, I'm like, okay, let's see how it goes. And just then I'm like, wow, this thing illuminates my face. Like it's like a mirror. I was just looking like a mirror of beauty. Mirror of beauty. You understand? So he was doing it. And you know the thing about this gele is because I was doing two looks that day, right? And I wanted to do this look first because I knew that this look was going to make me really tired. So I wanted to do this look first, then do my second look second. Then I would retie the gele. This day was just really stressful for me. I had a lot of breakout at the end of my shoot. I'm just like, oh my God. I'm just not built for stress. Baby girl lifestyle all the way. You know what I'm saying? Baby girl lifestyle. So I didn't want to do the Lagos hairline. I just wanted something different. I like baby hair. I know y'all don't like it, but me, I like it. So yeah.
It's not true, sir.
I'm so sorry.
Take it upstairs, babe.
At this point, I was just like, oh my goodness, so much time has gone, we're running out of time, and we still have to do the shoot and do the second shoot before I even start to prepare for the premiere. I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm so tired, but everything has to, we have to cross all the T's and dot all the I's. So this is us just doing like final touches for the gele, and we still have to do content. Time was running out, and I was just tired. I was just like, oh my God, oh my God. But yeah, here we are, still getting the hair done, trying not to sweat. Luckily for me, I don't actually sweat. So that was good. I was loving the look. My face was popping. See, and the thing about Gele is that Gele is so pretty, but it is super painful. Like you have to be like really regal and very, you get what I mean? So I'm like, oh, okay, queen mode, that kind of situation. So with Gele, yeah, it looks so good, but you'll be super uncomfortable. Well, not really, because I'm kind of used